All right, so this is my final project for WDD 430. I decided to make a chat application. So this is my front screen, the login screen. I created a little logo for it, and Wallaby Designs happens to be a logo I made for when I get out of here. Maybe some freelancing I might do in the future. So I thought it'd be fun to put that at the bottom. So the registration component is the only part that I haven't really messed with. The main part I was messing with, you'll see in a moment when I log in, but I just wanted to show you here because I did put a lot of effort into obviously the design of my layouts and so forth. So I'm gonna log in without a login, obviously. I'm gonna log in without a login. And this is the main splash screen. So here are a bunch of conversations, and I can create new conversations as you'll see with this, create new contacts with this, and edit my own profile with this. So first I'm gonna create a new conversation. That's this button right here. So if I click that, it comes here, and I can drag different people in here. So I can maybe search for people like Rex and say, okay, I want Rex in here. So cool, there's Rex. And I want Mr. Jackson in there as well. And I can start a conversation with those two, or I could drag in one more if I want to. It doesn't really matter. But the pictures will obviously show who's in the chat. So there's all my people. So if I press start, that conversation is now there. You see I didn't need to refresh or anything. So if I now click on that conversation, here is, actually I must have already have a conversation with them already. No, I just didn't load. Weird. Huh. Oh, I deleted a conversation earlier, that's why. Yeah, I had a 109 earlier. As you can see, the people are different, so that's related to that. So anyway, you can see here I've got a bunch of different conversations and the chat works between them. But now I want to show you the parts that you're interested in, which is the CRUD. So I'm going to first create a new message in this new chat that I actually deleted an old chat. I was starting to get low on the bottom here. So if I press submit there, it will come over here to my chats. As you can see, I have a lot. Testing a new chat, there it is there. I'm gonna do that again because obviously that you didn't see that happen. So I'm gonna do press test, and then there should be one more after my 25th. So if yeah, there we are, test right there. And one of the ways I did the different senders was by modifying the IDs. So here we go. So then I also have contact creation. So if I do test contact, for example, and just to grab that image, there we go, Lord of the Rings. No, let's just use, yeah, that works. This person doesn't exist, so it's a image API. So if I press add contact, they are now going to be on the bottom of my contact list. So here they are here. I can make changes to them. 1, 2, 3. Update contact, also delete contact, which I'll show you. Before I do that, let's go to contacts. So I have at the bottom test contact, just to refresh, test contact, update contact. So if I come over here and hit refresh, test contact 1, 2, 3, come back down here to them and press delete. They are now gone. This hasn't updated. They are now gone. So let's create, let me see. That's it. I think that's everything. Create, read, update, and delete. So I created a new contact, read the content, updated the contact, and deleted it. Okay, so that's that. I want to show you that the chat, I think that showed you the chat worked. Yes, I did. So I have several different things going here. These are cool. These are conversations, and a conversation consists of multiple IDs. So there's a contacts array of however many people are in the conversation. And depending on who's in that conversation is who can see it and who can contribute. And obviously these are all mine because I created them all. This one here, actually, you might recognize as being the messages from the previous conversation. I thought it was fitting to bring that back in. So I kept and preserved that one to be my first conversation here. And I was the last person added to that conversation. So I'm at the end there. And as you notice, I'm not on this here. So I can also make changes to myself. Press, except it's not letting me update. I'll have to look into that and delete myself, apparently. I shouldn't be able to delete myself, but you get the idea. I think it's working pretty well. And I think it's got everything I needed for this. I will be probably continuing to work on this in the future. Chat Wombat was actually bought the domain, so I'll probably post it at some point. But I've obviously got work to do, and I was perhaps a bit ambitious with what I was able to do with this. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. But yeah, thanks for watching, and thanks for a great semester.